SpaceX's cosmic tragedies, explosions and collisions. In December 1957, during NASA's inaugural attempt to launch a satellite into orbit, the rocket managed to ascend merely 4 feet above the ground before succumbing to a spectacular eruption of smoke and flames. This setback marked a delay in America's endeavor to rival Russia's Sputnik achievement. Fast forward almost 6 decades later, and SpaceX, a leading private spaceflight company, finds itself grappling with analogous challenges. Positioned at the same historic launch site in Cape Canaveral, Florida, a reusable Falcon 9 rocket suffered a catastrophic explosion on Thursday morning. The force of the blast reverberated across miles, decimating a satellite designed to enhance internet accessibility. Viewers, Elon Musk is unstoppable on his journey of success and failure. Nothing can hinder his relentless pursuit of innovation. If you want to investigate deeper into the genius of Elon Musk, subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for the latest updates. Join us on this thrilling exploration of one of the greatest minds of our time. SpaceX's founder and CEO, Elon Musk, acknowledged that the explosion occurred during the propellant fill operation and originated around the upper stage oxygen tank. Despite the setback, Musk has maintained a stoic demeanor regarding the company's accidents. In its initial statement, SpaceX euphemistically referred to the explosion as an anomaly on the pad. The history of spaceflight is replete with incidents of explosions, accidents, and disasters. While SpaceX has encountered its share of setbacks, it has fortunately avoided tragedy or injury thus far. With contracts from NASA to transport supplies to the International Space Station, SpaceX plays a crucial role in space missions. Together with NASA, they aim to resume manned launches from American launch pads in 2017. However, SpaceX's year of both success and failure has raised doubts about the feasibility of adhering to this schedule. The booms. Since its inception 14 years ago, SpaceX has experienced more triumphs than setbacks, embodying Elon Musk's ambitious vision to revolutionize spaceflight with reusable rockets. With just around 30 employees at the outset, Musk set out to transform the aerospace industry by developing rockets capable of saving substantial amounts of fuel and technology with each successful landing. In December 2010, SpaceX achieved a historic milestone by becoming the first private company to launch a spacecraft into low Earth orbit and safely return it. A mere year and a half later, the company further solidified its reputation by becoming the first private entity to successfully dock a spacecraft at the International Space Station. This accomplishment marked the beginning of SpaceX's pivotal role in resupplying the space station, a task it has continued to fulfill since then. By 2014, SpaceX had secured a prestigious $2.6 billion contract from NASA, alongside Boeing, to transport American astronauts to space, further cementing its position as a leader in the commercial space industry. On December 21, 2015, SpaceX achieved a monumental breakthrough with the successful landing of a reusable rocket, a feat previously deemed unattainable. This achievement came shortly after a rival company, led by Amazon's Jeff Bezos, accomplished a similar landing with a smaller vehicle. Subsequently, on April 8, 2016, SpaceX made history once again by successfully landing a reusable rocket on a drone ship in the Atlantic Ocean, marking the first-ever sea landing of its kind. Over the following 8 months, SpaceX replicated this achievement 6 more times, both at sea and on land, demonstrating the reliability and efficacy of its reusable rocket technology. Since 2012, the company has executed a remarkable 18 successful payload deliveries, further solidifying its reputation as a frontrunner in the commercial space industry. The busts. Despite SpaceX's numerous achievements, its journey has been punctuated by notable failures, particularly during the challenging task of landing their Falcon 9 rockets. Named after the iconic Star Wars spacecraft, the Falcon 9 rockets underwent rigorous testing to demonstrate their capability to transport supplies to astronauts in orbit and return safely to Earth. However, the endeavor to land these rockets on a robotic drone ship in the open sea proved to be a formidable challenge, characterized by uncertainty and setbacks. The first landing attempt, on January 10, 2015, ended in disappointment as the rocket crashed onto the ship after exhausting its hydraulic fuel, resulting in a hard landing. Subsequent attempts on April 14 saw another failure when the rocket's landing legs struck the barge with excessive force, causing it to tip over and veer off course. On June 28 of the same year, SpaceX faced a devastating setback when a rocket disintegrated shortly after liftoff, resulting in the loss of its cargo intended for the International Space Station. The catastrophic failure was attributed to a faulty strut, which was supposed to secure a tank of pressurized helium. Musk lamented the challenge of identifying such manufacturing defects from external inspection alone. Undeterred by these setbacks, SpaceX persisted in its pursuit of perfecting rocket landings. However, challenges persisted, as demonstrated by an incident on January 17, 2016, where adverse weather conditions thwarted a successful landing attempt. Despite the rocket landing at the correct speed, a malfunctioning leg prevented it from securing onto the platform, leading to a fiery explosion. Throughout these trials, Musk and his team remained resolute in their determination to overcome the formidable obstacles posed by landing rockets on a moving platform. Despite facing intense re-entry conditions and adverse weather, SpaceX continued to push the boundaries of possibility in spaceflight. Buoyed by Musk's unwavering optimism and commitment to innovation. The future. Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind SpaceX, has faced the failures inherent in space exploration with a stoic resolve, recognizing that progress often comes hand in hand with setbacks. This perspective echoes the understanding that science is a messy endeavor, fraught with challenges and unexpected outcomes. Even established space agencies like NASA have encountered their fair share of mishaps, from contractors mixing up metric measurements to losing a lander somewhere on Mars. The Kepler spacecraft, designed to hunt for planets, had to be ingeniously repurposed after experiencing issues with radiation pressure from the sun. Similarly, Russia's space agency has grappled with its own setbacks, including losing control of a cargo ship and experiencing repeated malfunctions and engine failures. Despite these challenges, Elon Musk remains undeterred in his ambitions for SpaceX. Earlier this year, he boldly announced plans for an unmanned mission to Mars by 2018, with the goal of laying the groundwork for future crewed missions to the Red Planet. Furthermore, SpaceX has secured contracts for launching payloads using its reusable rockets, showcasing the company's innovative approach to space exploration. While Thursday's launch involved a new rocket, the prospect of utilizing reusable technology represents a significant milestone for the aerospace industry. However, recent audits from NASA's Inspector General have cast doubt on some of these lofty aspirations. The report released on Thursday highlighted multiple challenges facing NASA's efforts to resume crewed missions from U.S. launch pads. Despite initial goals for a routine flight by 2015, the report suggests that such missions are likely to face delays, with the U.S. continuing to rely on foreign agencies like Russia's Roscosmos for astronaut launches until late 2018. This delay underscores the complexity and rigor required in spaceflight endeavors, emphasizing the need for thorough preparation and attention to detail. Elon Musk's ambitious vision for SpaceX is emblematic of humanity's enduring quest to explore the cosmos. While setbacks and challenges are inevitable, they serve as valuable learning experiences, driving innovation and progress in the field of space exploration. As Musk and his team continue to push the boundaries of what is possible in space, they remain steadfast in their commitment to realizing humanity's dream of becoming a multiplanetary species. Thank you for watching. We're not planning to keep you waiting for more thrilling content. For the latest updates and more exciting videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Stay tuned for more.